Denials, now we added denial detail export to Excel, and that's under the denials tab. I think it's in the overview, denials overview. Details tab, download detailed denials to Excel. So you can get all the details underneath here just downloaded in one big Excel file. So some of you that are tracking denials and they want to see all the details in one report, as you recall, you drill in to the month and the week and the day and you can see the details. But if you export the entire detail to Excel, you'll see everything in one report. That's the denial detail export to Excel. Denials by tag, all features report. Denials by tag, and all you do is click on that, pick the tag that you want to look at, and the time period that you want, and it'll generate. In this case, we only have one feature, but you can actually select multiple features. If I click the NX tag, there's multiple features in that, I believe. Yeah, so you can click whatever features you want to, denials on any of the features that you want here. You can click them and then have that exported to Excel for all the details on those features at that tag. It's actually all or selected features. We have a new denials history graph. Essentially, that's under the detail. You'll see there's a denials graph here, denial history graph for any of these tools. And it's kind of pretty. And you can do this for any, again, it's a graph, so you have that dynamic ability of reading the graph. You can download this as a JPEG image. You can create a batch report if you like this.